Well, just a couple days ago, we got this from Colt Nichols on his Instagram story posting this bike, which is yellow. Obviously, that's different because him and the beta team that he signed with have mutually agreed to part ways, however you want to interpret that. But we do have the actual announcement now from the Twisted Tea HEP Suzuki presented by Progressive Insurance Team welcomes Colt Nichols to the team for the remainder of the championship season. And if you go to the Super Motocross page on Twitter, they also continue this a little bit, saying leading into the 24 Super Motocross playoffs and have a mutual extension option in place to race on the team for 2025. Now, for him, this is good. Obviously, if you don't do well on one team and you leave the bike, you more than likely don't get another ride so quickly. But this might have been something in the works already, or he already has some sort of a connection with the team. And for him, this is great. I mean, 2 or 3 weeks leaving one team, already signed to another, and back to racing. Who knows? Obviously, I'm going to say this in my personal opinion. I'd rather be on the full factory squad. Who knows? But I can see where a lot of people disagree with that. And a lot of people just say this is going to be about comfort. Obviously, that bike he's probably been on or riding, racing, whatever. But if we get to see him for the rest of motocross, we get to see him for super motocross and maybe next year on it, comments down below. I want to hear from you guys. How well do you think he does? Obviously, the Suzuki is not the, let's put this nicely, not the most updated bike in the world, but if he's comfortable on it and the team's good and it works for him, you can't really blame him for moving on. But I want to hear from you. Comment down below. Tell me, how do you think? Obviously, he's well out of the championship. That's not even a point. But how well does he do for the rest of the year? Does he get a podium? Is he top 5, top 10, top 20, whatever it is? Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.